Hey everybody, Scott here. How you doing today? Forgive any wind noise. It's a little breezy, and here in a couple hours, I'm going to pull the airplane out. Looks like, well, actually, I might be able to do it sooner, and do some stole practice because I'm competing in stole this year. So I want to tell you this video and the airplane is sponsored by Aeroplex Labs, and they make this AeroGuard. Just to be clear, I approached them for sponsorship because this product is awesome, absolutely awesome. See, there's the can. There's another product on the market that you may be familiar with that it's impossible to find anymore for whatever reason. So the guys behind this product got tired of trying all kinds of different things as a replacement for that other product, and they created their own. So this is anti-static, anti-fog, plexi safe. So it's a plexi cleaner and kind of a restorer. So when I bought my airplane, this windscreen was not in the best shape. If you were flying into the sun or if the sun was in front of you in any way, you really had a hard time seeing because it would just glow from all the pitting and scratching and all the imperfections in it. I was telling my buddy, Chris, that I was going to place an order to replace the windscreen. And that's several $100s and who knows how many hours work trying to get it just right. He gave me a can of this stuff. I thought, well, I'll give it a try. We'll see what's the worst that could happen. And after 3 applications, it was, wow, this stuff's pretty cool. So what you see here, see how clear this is everywhere. This is 7 to 8 applications over the period of a few days. It's awesome. So I'm going to show you how I apply it. And yes, this is like an infomercial. I apologize, but I'm telling you, this stuff is awesome. Here at the end of the video, I'll put a link down below where you can buy this. And I believe he's offering a discount right now. I'm telling you, this stuff is worth trying out. Okay, as promised, shake the can up really well. Put the lid out of the way so it doesn't blow away. I mean, you don't have to let it sit for hours or minutes. Just wipe it off. I mean, it's that simple. Now, there are some things, and you probably can't tell on camera, but like here, I've got this big scratch. There's nothing's going to solve that. Inside here, I've got a scratch. It's actually a wear mark. Nothing will take care of that. But this windscreen was a disaster, and it's so much better now, and it's slick. I feel like, it's not bug season right now, but I feel like when it is bug season, it's got a slick enough coating on it that it's not going to be all covered up in bug guts. But time will tell on that, when it is that time of year. You can't go wrong with this stuff. It's well worth the price. It's not expensive. It's not free. It's priced well. So check it out. Try it. And if you try it and you really don't like it, if you let the company know, they appreciate the feedback. So that's all I've got. I hope you guys fly safe. Oh, there goes my lid. Fly safe. Have a good one, and be sure and watch National Stole this year. It's going to be an exciting season. See you guys later.